Some high school students spent their summer training to be future healthcare leaders. Camila Trujillo and Santiago Pena join me live now. Good morning to you both. Thanks so much for being here on Houston's Morning Show. Well, you both have been attending a health sciences summer camp. And Camila, I understand you're 16. You've got big goals for yourself. Tell us about them. What do you hope to do?
We can't hear.
Oh.
We're trying to fix this. We can't.
Yeah, we're having a little.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right. Do you hear me now?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
We can
Oh,
hear you better.
good. Okay, you got me now. All right, awesome. Okay, so Camila, I wanted to start with you. It's Sally McDonald here on Houston's Morning Show. You are 16. Tell us about your goals for your future health science career.
Okay, so the end goal ideally is to be a cardiologist. I love the medical field, so I really want to get to university, and after that go to med school and then pursue that career.
Wonderful. And Santiago, you're 16 as well. What are you training for?
Well, my end goal is to be a pediatrician, to be able to work with kids. It's basically the same thing as Camila. I want to go to college. I want to go to 4-year college and then get into med school, do my residency and all that, and just become a pediatrician.
So tell us about the camp that you guys just went to, because you got to hear from doctors, you got to visit the health museum. Camila, what was that like? What did you learn?
It was really cool. So on our field trip yesterday, we visited the health museum, and we also got to tour the University of Houston's medical school, and it really gave me an inside view of what medical school really is, and that it is achievable, and it was just eye-opening.
And Santiago, have you always wanted to be a doctor, a pediatrician, or has the pandemic in any way really inspired you?
I wanted to be a doctor, a pediatrician before the pandemic, but because of the pandemic, it really made my will to become a medical professional. It made it stronger, and it made me more determined to actually eventually go out there and help people.
That is really great to hear, because as you might know, we are in a nursing shortage right now. Healthcare workers are stressed out, leaving the profession. Camila, what do you think about that? Do you have any idea on what maybe could be done to possibly help retain nurses?
So definitely I would start young. So by joining these camps, these outreach programs, like the youth will really get to see what these career choices is and how it really helps. And by pursuing these career choices, how it really helps our community. And yeah, I feel like that's like a good It's a good incentive, if that makes sense.
Yeah, sure, because you understand exactly the need, right, from a young age, and that maybe will fuel the passion as you go forward. Well, Camila and Santiago, thank you both so much for joining us, and best of luck in the future. Maybe we'll be interviewing you one day as Dr. Trujillo and Dr. Pena. Thank you so much, both of you.
Thanks so much for having us.
Thank you.
It's been wonderful. Thank you.
Have a good weekend.